How's it, guys? So we are at Miracle Waters near Brits in South Africa, and today we're going to be testing out some new gear. First of all, we've got the GoPro Hero 11 that we're going to be testing out, and just for interest's sake, I'd like to show you. Today we're not going to be recording on 4K, and the reason for that is because you need a very strong PC to edit your video footage afterwards. So my setting that I'm going to be using today for filming our freediving is we're going to be using 2.7K, and the reason we're going to be using 2.7K is because we want to use a very high frame rate of 240 frames per second, which is you'll see in the video the nice slow-mo effects. However, the camera can record 4K in maximum of 120, and 5.3K it can record a maximum of 60. Okay, but like I said, we're going for a super high frame rate so that we can extract some nice photos and some awesome slow-mo video footage. So we're going to leave it at that for today. And then I just want to show you guys what else we're going to be using along with this. Let me just make sure it's on the right setting and then switch it off. Okay, so along with the GoPro Hero 11, we're going to be using this dive housing over here. I'll put a link in the description. The tissue paper that I put inside is to absorb any moisture that might have been in and around this dive housing while we were traveling and in the heat. So with the older GoPros, and when I had the older versions in the dive housing, I've noticed that sometimes it does clog up a bit on the inside with some mist or water residue. Over here I'm trying to avoid that, so it's the first time I'm trying that. And then the other thing we're going to be testing out today is we got two pairs of Cressy Gara modular impulse fins. So we're going to be shooting some photos and videos with these guys over here, which is awesome fins. I like the 15-degree angle that we have here with the foot pocket. I'll just check if I'm right on the angle. So these are awesome fins. They look very good on video footage, and they've got very comfortable foot pockets. They've got a nice foot angle. They've got excellent grip for if you do walk on rocks and so on. So we've got two sets of these that we're going to be testing out today. So let's go diving.